Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 56, Atoms and Molecules. In this worksheet we will discuss mole concept. Gyan, how can we know the amount of substance in an element or compound? Gyan क्या पूछ रहे हैं? How can we know the amount of substance in an element or compound? जिज्ञासा दीदी ने क्या बताया? The amount of substance is based on number of atoms or molecules present in it, or we can directly find the number of atoms or molecules from the chemical reaction equation. Number of atoms और molecules का पता हमें कहाँ से लग जाता है? इन्हें chemical reaction equation से. We have a new SI unit mole for this. हमारे पास क्या है? We have new SI unit for number of atoms and number of molecules. To find out number of atoms and molecules, SI unit mole is used for this purpose. There are 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 particles in 1 mole of any substance. Means 1 mole of any substance contain 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 particles. These particles can be atoms, molecules or ions. Particles may be atoms or molecules in case of compounds, or it may be ions. This number is called Avogadro number or constant. Which number? 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. This number or number of particles is called Avogadro number. The mass of 1 mole of substance, atoms, molecules or ions is equal to its relative atomic mass or molecular mass in gram. When we represent the molecular mass of an atom or molecular mass of a molecule in gram, then it is called gram molecular mass or gram atomic mass. Suppose 1 mole of hydrogen is equal to how many particles? 1 mole of hydrogen is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 atoms, because hydrogen is an atom, or this will equal to 1 gram, because hydrogen atoms equal to atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 U. When atomic mass is represented in gram, then it is called gram atomic mass. So gram atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 gram or 1, and this is called 1 mole of hydrogen. So 1 mole is equal to gram molecular mass or gram atomic mass of a substance. Now we will discuss mole concept. Mole concept क्या होता है? 1 mole of a substance is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 particles. This number is fixed. So 1 mole is equal to, number of particles will be 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. For example, 1 mole atoms equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 particle. 1 mole molecules is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 molecules. So number of particles are constant in 1 mole of any substance. It may be atom, or it may be molecules, or it may be ions. The mass of 1 mole of a substance is always fixed. Mass is always fixed, and mass of 1 mole of substance is equal to the relative atomic mass or molecular mass. So 1 mole mass is equal to their relative atomic mass in case of elements, or molecular mass in case of compounds. The mass of 1 mole of atom is equal to the atomic mass measured in gram. When atomic mass is measured in gram, then it is called gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass. In 1 mole of oxygen, 1 mole of oxygen means oxygen gas. It contains 2 atoms of oxygen. It means number of molecules will be in oxygen gas 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 molecules, and gram molecular mass या molar mass will be equal to the 16 into 2 because there are 2 atoms. So molecular mass of oxygen gas or 1 mole of oxygen molecule will be 32 U or 32 gram. These are some examples given to you. Number of atoms present in 8 gram of helium. 8 gram of helium में number of atoms कितने होंगे 8 ग्राम में? So first of all we will find out 1 mole equal to how much gram of helium. So atomic mass of helium is 4U. So mass of 1 mole of helium will be 4 gram. 4U is represented in gram. Atomic mass of helium. 4U is the atomic mass of helium. So 1 mole of helium contain how many particles? 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 atoms. So 4 gram equal to 4 gram means 1 mole equal to particles का number कितना आएगा? Number of atoms will be 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. If 4 gram contain this number of these particles 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23, then 8 gram will be 8 gram में number of particles will be 6.022 into 10 raised to the power upon 4. This will be find out by if and therefore. 4 gram is equal to this number. So 8 gram will be equal to 6.022 multiplied by 8 upon 4. So this number will be 12.044 into 10 raised to the power 23. We have to multiply by 2 to this number because 4 gram equal to 1 mole, so 8 gram equal to how many mole? 2 mole. So you have to multiply this number by 2. For multiplication you have to multiply only this number with 2 and you have to write raised to the power as it is. So 6.022 multiplied by 2 equal to 12.044 into 10 raised to the power 23 atoms. Example 2, mass of 0.5 mole of nitrogen gas. So nitrogen gas का atomic mass nitrogen की कितनी होती है 14U. तो mass of nitrogen gas will be, there are 2 atoms of nitrogen, so mass will be 14 into 2, 28U. So mass of 1 mole of nitrogen gas will be 28 gram. So mass of 0.5 mole will be 28 into 0.5. This will equal to 14 gram. So you will discuss question answer. When you will discuss question answer, then concept will more clear to you. Now your first question is define 1 mole of a substance, and second question is can Avogadro constant be different for different substance? Explain. So first of all, we will define 1 mole of substance. What do you mean by 1 mole of substance? 1 mole is defined as 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 of some chemical units. It can be atom, molecule or ion. 1 mole कितना होता है? 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 atoms or molecules or ions. Question number 2. Answer of question number 2 is, question number 2 is, you have to ask, can Avogadro constant be different for different substance? No. Avogadro constant is same for all the substance. So answer 2 will be no. The Avogadro number must be constant for every substance. The numerical value or numerical unit, the Avogadro number is 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 units. Now question number 3. In question number 3, you have to ask, calculate the number of atom present in 24 gram of helium. Number of atoms. How many number of atoms in 24 gram of helium? 24 gram of helium means, gram atomic mass of helium is 4 gram. 4U or 4 gram. So 1 mole of helium equal to gram atomic mass of helium. It will be 1 mole equal to 4U or 4 gram. If 4 gram equal to 1 mole helium, then 24 gram equal to how many mole? So in this case, if and therefore, if 4 gram equal to 1 mole, then 24 gram equal to how many mole? We will place 1 as it is and 4 in the upon part, and 24 will be in multiplication of 1. So when we cut this, 4 1 ja 4, 4 6 ja 24. So 24 gram means 6 mole. If number of atoms in 1 mole equal to 6.022 into 23 raised to the power 23, then number of atoms in 6 mole, then you will multiply 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 into 6. For multiplication, you have to multiply only this number to 6 and you have to write 10 raised to the power 23 as it is. So multiply 6.022 into 2022 by 6. When we multiply by 6, we will get 36.132 and we will write power as it is into 10 raised to the power 23. This will your answer. So number of atoms in 24 gram of helium will be 36.132 into 10 raised to the power 23 atoms. Your next question is, in next question you have to ask, mass of atom present in 0.5 mole of nitrogen. Mass of atom, you have to find out mass of atom present in 0.5 mole of nitrogen. N equal to 14U. So 1 mole equal to 14 gram. 14 U is represented in gram. So 1 mole of nitrogen will equal to 14 gram. Then 0.5 mole of nitrogen will be equal to 14 multiplied by 0.5 upon 1. So when we calculate this, 14 multiplied by 0.5. So 14 5s are 70. we will put decimal from one place and answer is 7 gram. 0.5 mole of nitrogen will equal to 7 gram. Your next question is number of moles in 36 gram of water. Number of moles, you have to find out number of moles. 1 mole will be equal to gram molecular mass of water. And what is the gram molecular mass of water? When we represent the unified mass in gram. So what is the molecular mass of water? It is 18 U. It means gram molecular mass will be 18 gram. 18 gram water is equal to 1 mole. Gram molecular mass will equal to 1 mole. So 18 gram water equal to 1 mole. Then 36 gram of water equal to how many mole? So we will place 1 as it is and 18 in upon and multiplied by 36. 18 1 ja 18, 18 2 ja 36. So it will your answer will be 2 mole. So 36 gram of water will equal to 2 moles. Thanks for watching.